Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mikami coin, ticker symbol MIKAMI. Now this is brought to you by a famous Japanese celebrity, influencer, whatever you want to call her. And she has tweeted about this token on her Twitter. So a lot of meme coins out there nowadays are basically homages to something, and they're made by just a random developer. But this token is actually promoted on this celebrity's Twitter. And they have, it says it's dropping within the next 24 hours, so it's not even out yet. And they just announced a brand new, very big central exchange listing for this token. So we're going to talk about this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I'm going to put the token's Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, which is at Mikami_coin. It says the only official Mikami Yao meme coin, ticker symbol Mikami, and has a link to the token's webpage on there. Mikami Yao, I could be pronouncing her name wrong, I have no idea. MikamiYao.io, and they have 14,700 followers already. Blue verified checkmark, 6 tweets. And there was a post from the actual person, if you go to the Twitter account, at YUA_Mikami. It says, Yao Mikami, the queen of culture, now steps onto Solana. So we know that this token is on the Solana blockchain because of this tweet here. It says, get my official Mikami token now. Join my very special Mikami community now. Beauty fades, scarcity stays, balance reigns. The future belongs to believers. Go to, and then it has a link to at Mikami_coin, and then the web page that I was just talking about as well. And then it has the same tweet in Japanese. So there's the English tweet, and then there's the Japanese one. And then, just 8 hours ago, it says there is a countdown to the token listing here. So it says here on their Twitter, on the token's Twitter there in the pinned tweet, Mikami token equals memes, culture, legacy, and then it says 24-hour countdown, and that was 8 hours ago. So it's safe to assume that this token should be out in the next 15, 16 hours or so. And there was just a very big central exchange listing announcement for this token as well. So Mexc Global tweeted out, Mexc new listing. The Mikami token will be listed for USDT trading, and the time will be confirmed. So it hasn't been exactly, the exact time hasn't been put up there yet, but it's safe to assume it'll be probably, you know, when the token launches within the next 24 hours. We'll have to wait on to see this Twitter right here when it drops, but when it does, it'll go over to Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Mikami, and then simply just buy the token. It is that simple. Now, you will have to wait, obviously, just follow the Twitter to see when it gets posted, but for now, you could, if you like, you could open an account. It says, Mikami Coin, the only official meme token endorsed by Yao Mikami, backed by her repost on X. This project blends meme culture with star power. And it says total supply to be confirmed, but we will know obviously that this token is on Solana because of her tweet. And there's another tweet that talks about Solana as well. Now, if you go to that web page, there's a bunch of pictures there, and then it says tokenomics, roadmap, introduction, home section. Oh, and there's an actual countdown on their page. So if you go to the web page there, Mikami, YUA.io, it says 15 hours, 33 minutes, 40 seconds, and it's counting down there. Just got a bunch of pictures, and then it says, Mikami is a dazzling Japanese entertainer, chart-topping singer, and social media sensation who evolved from her days in the popular idol group SKE48 to become a true multimedia star. As a vibrant member of Bisou Muscats and Honey Popcorn, and with appearances in hit games like Yakuza 6, she's constantly expanding her creative universe. A digital pioneer at heart, Mikami has become a familiar face at major crypto exchange events across Asia, actively exploring how blockchain can enhance fan connections with millions of devoted followers and an infectious enthusiasm for emerging technologies. Her fan token project represents the perfect fusion of entertainment and innovation, giving her community exciting new ways to connect with the star that they love. So her Twitter has 8.2 million followers, Instagram 3.7 million followers, YouTube 1.1 million followers, and TikTok 4.5 million followers. So they have the tokenomics. It's on the Solana blockchain. Now we got 15% of the tokens will go to liquidity, 10% will go to the community, 5% will go to marketing, 50% will go to Mikami, locked until 2069, and 20% will go to the fire sale debut. Now the roadmap here starts with launch of the Mikami token, initial community building, Telegram, X, launch liquidity pool. Then we got launch official shrine, fans interact and swag drop, meme contests and marketing pushes. First real world merchandise collab, teas with signed posters, collectibles, partnerships across Asia and anime communities, burning event. Then they're going to have a DAO, so there's going to be governance. Model context protocol, MCP AI agent creation, global fans gathering, and AI agent interaction and monetization for holders exclusive. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you check out the referral codes as well, especially that Mexc Global one. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.